But you win. You don't give up so easy. Get up. You roll over like a... Get up and fight like a man. Oi, Ashton. All right, Ashton. All right. Look, you're hurting.
Shut the frick up, idiot!
Shut the what? Shut the what, AJ? Is that appropriate language? Don't let me hear you say that again.
I'm glad I survived, but it just, the wall jumping didn't work. Oh, come on. I don't know why I'm both being so unlucky and lucky at the same time. It's ridiculous.
Okay, because this one is still kind of cheap, should I wash it? Because this one's looking a bit, should I wash it out with the tap?
Which was more helpful.
Say again.
Because this inside this is still kind of thick, should I wash it out with the tap?
No, as long as you're happy that you've cleaned it properly, you can just put it to the side.
Let's go ahead and go across to here. There you go, there's some help. Oh boy.
Ashton.
Go. Please dodge all that stuff. I see dodging. That's not dodging it. Alright, slow down time. I wish we were just like a help. You just go out with that. Okay, let's slow down time one more time. And then go. Climb up, climb up. And then freeze time. Yes.
And then like a fire chase jet.
Multiple times. That was the idea.
Yay.
I want to take off the, what's it called?
All because of that smartness of my brain, I can fly agents.
Or because of that smartness of your brain.
Yes.
Okay.
Do I wash it?
Whatever you want to wash, mate. You decide. You're the one who's washing them, not me.
Hey guys, look, it's flying.
Hey, be careful.
I almost did make myself look like a big old dingus. Give this health and turn out one man on fire that might just get rid of the health. Definitely the game has been ramping up its difficulty, which I'm not.
Maybe I should. Actually, I'm going to set it on some guard.
Oh jeez. Okay. Well, goodbye. Where am I now? I'm here. If that's what I want to be, I haven't answered yet. Because I don't know the answer. Okay. So I might have gotten the game over, but it remembers my 2 things I got. From what I see, I tried to look for it. I didn't really see it, so I think it.
Hide and seek. One there. And one there. So that boy is looking for that boy. Alright, Ashland, knock him out now, Ashland. Knock him out. Show him justice. Knock him out. Yes. 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 Where you run, go AJ? Don't run. Don't run. Baba boy, don't run. AJ run like a wounded dog. Broke your CN record. Don't run. Baba boy, don't run. Come on, stand up and fight like a man. But you win. Don't give up so easy. Get up. Don't roll over like a... Get up and fight like a man. Oi, Ashton. Alright, Ashton. Alright. Look, you're hurting.
Shut the frick up, idiot!
Shut the what? Shut the what, AJ? Is that appropriate language? Don't let me hear you say that again. You understand? You decide to play with him, so deal with it. Yeah? It's a different story if you tell him to stop. But when he tells you to stop, you have to make sure that you stop as well, yeah? Good? Good. Don't use that language again. Ashland, do you want him to stop? Do you want to stop playing? Ashland, come here. Ashland, AJ wants to stop playing, alright?
Fine.
So no more. Good. Come, let's play football.
No.
Whoa.
Change tabs! I changed tabs! Why are we involved for like 7 years? It's nothing.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Let's go for it. Cool. Get out of there. Okay, go ahead. Come on. I need to see what's
Hey.
I'm trying to do it because I done it a minute ago.
Yeah. Bubbles.
I'm making bubbles. You're trying to make it, so that's fine.
Ready? Come all the way up there, yeah? Ready? Bend. 1, 2, 3. Up. Hold on. Up. That's it. 1,
Yes, DJ.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9. One more. Yes! Come here. Yes, you did it. Another high five. Yes. You're strong, man.
You can get some.
Ready? Bang. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Up. Hold on. Up. Go. 1, 2, 3. I need 10. 4. Come on. 5. Come on. Yes. Come on.
7.
No work there, you know. 8. Come on. 2 more.
Okay, 2. Come on, I can believe in you. One more. That's it. Yeah, good.
Strength, no weakness.
No weakness.
Tell him. Strength.
Strength, no
Yes,
weakness.
DJ.
Strength, no weakness.
When you do it, it's making me tip.
Okay, then surf. My belly is fine, man. You can stand on there a bit more. Come on, stand on my belly and surf. Come on, surf. Surf. Get that wave. The big one. My poor belly.
Pasta and meatballs.
For dinner.
Yeah.
Who's cooking you?
You are.
Me.
Yeah, but you need some. Actually, you are. Just you.
Me.
Yeah.
I'm not cooking.
But
You are. You're cooking.
no, because I got this.
What?
This.
What's that?
It's like the thing, and you cut this.
That doesn't mean you can't cook.
Dad, you are good at cooking.
What do you smell of? You smell of something. What were you eating?
It was like treat.
All right. Breakfast time for my little boy them. From breakfast time for my little boy them. So AJ wants crumpets with that chocolate spread. Ashland wants frosties with oat milk, obviously, because we don't drink cow's milk. And because you're vegan. Well, not exactly. You're vegan when you come here. And you can have some fruits as well with your breakfast. So clean, so clean, so saucy. Right.
So wami au kulana ilondoloze